Yeah, hi, I'm Tara Arient. I am the quality director at Technipaq Incorporated.
And hi, I'm Jacqueline Graf. I am the quality specialist at Technipaq.
Sir, we do medical device and pharmaceutical packaging. So, where we actually make the flexible packaging products that we sell to medical device and pharmaceutical customers and other medical care customers that they use to package their products. Paper, lots and lots of paper. Before QT9, we were managing everything through paper. It was a completely 100% paper-based process.
Trying to locate training, trying to locate engineering change requests and document change requests was rather difficult, being that it was all paper-based.
So I'd already implemented several different systems with several different companies. I came to Technipaq being fully aware they were paper-based, and it was number one on my list to get an electronic system as soon as possible. QT9 was at the top of our list as being able to both meet our needs, all of our user requirements, while providing the best value for the service that you offer. Customer service was a huge part of that decision, and your team really excels there. We wanted something that we could operate as out of the box as possible. We didn't want to make a lot of customizations, and we wanted something that was really easy to configure to meet our needs, and something that we wouldn't have to heavily validate. And QT9 really met all of those, which is so nice. It's less work to maintain the system, and you still get all of the value of having the quality processes that you need there. I wrote up established criteria. Here's all the requirements we need to meet. Here's all of the things we're looking for. And I provided it to the key stakeholders for vendor selection approval. And everyone was on board and completely agreed that QT9 was the best fit for our company.
Yeah, so we use it every day, usually max out on our licenses. On a daily basis, we can get anywhere from 5 to up to 10 on busy days of engineering change requests. We use the supplier module as well as the customer module. So it's great to keep all of the certificates, all of our regulatory information, and keeping those all in our customer folders. It's easy to find. It is something I'm on every day. I log in at 8 a.m. and I log out at 4:30. So yeah, it's very critical to our company process.
Yeah. I use QT9 daily to manage audits, to manage quality events. So any requests or inquiries that are coming from our customers to, say, review quality agreements, or to just do a product question answer, or to get additional information from them. We get a lot of regulatory information questions. So we house all of our repository of information in QT9 using the document module. The link feature is key. Everything's right there for you to see. I can go to any customer and see all of the related quality events or NCPs or CAPAs or complaints, or vice versa. I can, go to a product and see that information if I really need to. Like, everything's just kind of linked together, which is really nice. I would say the biggest difference QT9 has made has been the visibility to everything. It allows everyone to see more of the big picture. It allows us to get the data that we need quicker and easier, and it allows us to address any trends or issues much more quickly, and really decreases that admin time.
It's easy to just go into QT9. All your approvals are there, your tasks lists are there. You kind of can plan your day on what you've got going on in the different modules there.
It is way worth it to take the time to consolidate and get on a single-use electronic quality management system or enterprise quality management system. It makes a world of difference. It's going to make your team happier. It's going to make you happier. You're going to make your customers happier because your response times are going to improve, and all around, everyone's going to win.